Alright, so we had a bad windstorm. Newsman said breezy my ass. 60-mile-an-hour gust ripped the damn greenhouse apart, so this is what it looks like on the outside now. So I'm going to take you on the inside real quick here. So it looks like on the outside with the cover on it, the screen. This is I believe a 40% reduction in light, but more importantly it's going to let the heat escape, and we'll have a better environment inside to grow in. Alright, so this is what I can't get inside. So these are eggplants right here. So we come along this jalapeno right there. He's experimenting in a big gallon. Cucumbers, some zucchinis hiding back here. We got banana peppers, rainbow peppers, bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, more cayenne peppers. Got some basil outside here too. And we got some California wonder peppers. Can't wait to see for those. Got some zucchini sitting out here I haven't done with yet. Cherry tomatoes everywhere. Sorry, you're gonna get my shadow here now. But you got some purple cherry tomatoes down there in the bottom. This is all lit up. You can tell the sun's in my back. So all the way through. And back here, these are going to be beds for melons. So. Okay, so the beds had to be redone and flushed because there was a buildup of too much food and stuff in there. You can still see my tools and stuff in there. So the beds are actually empty. Not really anything growing in them right now. Just using them as a filter. But I had to go through and clean out and take all kinds of stuff out of the beds, even the roots and things like that, because something was dying in here and it was really, really bad. Had to clean out the sump and everything and drain all that. So that got done as well. Still a little nasty, but it's a lot better than it was. And this is just a quick shot of the greenhouse. Kind of showing why. This is all lettuce, the grow bed. See the water's draining in. You can see it's draining right in here. So we go down through. Here's the temperature. I think you can see that. And here's some kale. Strawberries. This is another dry bed I tried to put in, but this doesn't seem to be doing that good at all. So more stuff I couldn't keep room for. Back, some peppers growing up in here. There's some chilies over there. Red ones down there. Yep. Cucumbers. Hanging. Plants in the grow bed. You can see the heat's really tearing up the cucumbers. You stand back down. And what I did was on top, I put those cucumbers. You can see all the way down. And on this side, the center rolls, I'm kind of tired of. It's not doing that good. Anyway, there's an update on the greenhouse.